am standing beneath your wings, and I am resting in your shelter. Your great faithfulness has been my shield, and it makes me want to sing. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be the name of the Lord. I will bless your holy name for all my days. Blessed be the